Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach class 3 English chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is Ballpoint Penguins, which is written by Jack Prelude Sky. Ballpoint Penguins is a poem about the strange and wonderful ways in which an equally strange group of birds write down things. Penguins are charmingly only black and white, but are often found in very cold parts of the world where there is very less sunshine. How do they manage to have fun in their lives? We will find out in the poem. Students, do you know what is the meaning of penguins? Penguin is a seabird. एक समुद्री चिड़िया. Penguins is a seabird which is found in very cold parts of the world where there is very less sunshine. It is a seabird, but it cannot fly. It can swim deep into the sea, or it can walk on the land. Now I am going to read this poem. First I will read, then I will explain. The ballpoint penguins, black and white, do little else but write and write. Although they have nothing much to say, they write and write it anyway. The ballpoint penguins do not think, they simply write with endless ink. They write of ice, they write of snow, for that is all they seem to know. At times these shy and silent birds will verbally express their words, but mostly they do not recite, they aim their beaks and write and write. In this poem, these ballpoint penguins are black and white in color. What they are doing? They are doing nothing, but they write and write. Although they have nothing much to say, although means even if have nothing much to say, what they write and write. They are writing and writing. The ballpoint penguins do not think. They have nothing to think. What they are doing, they are simply write with endless ink. Endless means having no end. The ink which will not be finished. Where they are writing of ice. Ice means frozen water. And snow. Snow is also ice particles which falling from the clouds. For that is all they seem to know. At times these shy and silent birds. Shy means surmily. Silent means quiet. These birds are shy and silent, will verbally express their words. Verbally means to say something with your mouth. These birds are will say something in their mouth, but mostly they do not recite. Recite means to say or to sing something. These birds do not say or sing something. What they are doing? Their aim is their beak. Beak means the outer covering, the outer hard parts of the bird's mouth. By using this beak, they are writing. There. Now, this chapter is becoming over. Students, what you will do, you will read this poem and collect hard words and write down in your classwork copy and learn it. And write down this poem also in your classwork copy and learn it. Now come. Choose the correct answer to complete the given sentences. According to the speaker, ballpoint penguins come in colors. Red or white color, black and white color. Black and white color. According to the speaker, what do the ballpoint penguins do? They just write and write. They think and recite. They just write and write. According to the speaker, how are these birds? These birds are shy and silent. Okay, students? And whatever the PDF you are getting, you must write in your classwork copy and learn it. Thank you.